Another beautiful spot if you're visiting Chesterfield. Linacre Woods and Linacre Reservoirs. 3 reservoirs altogether. This is the third. It's also a conservation area, so don't come around here on your mountain bike. Keep your dogs on leads and be quiet around the third reservoir. Yeah, this one's the biggest one. It's particularly beautiful. I used to walk up here when I was a lad. I mean, my own granddad and parents as well. We'd sometimes walk from Home Hall, which had only just been built actually. So yeah, that's going back a bit. But anyway, 20 minutes by car, or you could actually walk all the way from Chesterfield if you wanted. It's quite a big walk, but or you could start at Holmebrook Valley. There's a car park there as well, and that's a good walk as well. So if you're using Chesterfield as a base, this is a great option.